Welcome back to the Institute for the Institution of Imagination and Inspiration, LLC.
Cat in the Hat. Every one of your assignments is a disaster.
Nailed it.
We're giving you one last chance, or you lose your stripes.
Without my hat, I'm just a... Let's see what we can do. I'm the Cat in the Hat!
Call the cops.
Whoa. Okay, let's get it started. All right. Today is going to be the best day ever!
Where are we?
It's a world made up entirely of your memories.
What are these things?
What?
Huh? This is the language.
That's actually offensive.